Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Yes! Put on center mass in our body. Yes! This is my granddaughter. Yes! Herself, she can be the next universe. Universe world. So listen, 21 is glad for you, 21. Somebody tell you about alone. You have to go over, you have to go over the valley, you have to go over everywhere. You make yourself a lady. And you make sense of my grow the bag. Let me the father, bring the father, come give me.
The grandma.
From my girl, yes, sir.
Money phone.
Yes, for you. And remember me tell my girl, you are a lovely young lady. Yes. And it's happy for you. Yes. And your auntie and your granny and the whole of them, your uncle, your uncle Eddie Murphy, yes. The whole of them, and my brethren, Prince to you. Yes. Listen, put on the car. Celebration.
Where there? No, me have video something. Me have a video for send go to Tony and Tina. I'm having a something, man.
Viewers and subscribers, residents in Jamaica, right? They're celebrating, beating the pot cover, feeling proud of the female, that lady that had won the Miss World 2019, and her name is Tonian Singh. Now, viewers and subscribers, it is said that she's from the parish of St. Thomas, and these persons that you see in the video is said to be from the parish of St. Thomas, and they're celebrating her victory, which is Tonian Singh's victory. You see what I'm saying to you? Viewers and subscribers, this video right here that I just present to you, my viewers and subscribers, it basically says everything that is needed to be said. You know, in my point of view, you know, it's like this video already said everything already. You see what I'm saying to you here? So the only thing left for me to say is big up to Tonian Singh, you know, congratulations to her on her victory. You know, big up to the people in St. Thomas, big up to the whole Jamaica, and big up to you, my viewers and subscribers. You don't know, I love to show the appreciation. You see what I'm saying to you here? So let me know what you think about something like this. You know, you hear the pot cover, them and knock, pang, pang, pang. Yeah, loud. You understand? Yeah. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself.